Hello everyone, I am career psychologist at Toppers Academy. So here is a good news for all the aspirants of NEET 2024 that we are starting a new batch at Karol Bagh in New Delhi. So what will you get in this batch? Your classes will be the hybrid classes. It means that you can take these classes either in offline mode or in online mode, right? So along with the classes for daily practice, you will get the daily practice papers and your notes, so that the portion that has been covered in your class, you can revise that portion with the help of that DPP and your notes. Along with all these things, you will get your study module for the short theory portions and your practice papers that contains your PYQ, that is your previous year's questions. Along with all these stuffs, we will give you one important thing that is necessary to crack the exam, that is your online test, right? On all Sundays you will need to give the test, and after that test your scores will be visible on the portal itself, right? Along with all these things, you will get the recordings for the same classes to re-watch them again and again to clear your doubts and everything. So hurry up and enroll yourself in the new batch that will start at Karol Bagh in New Delhi from 10th July onwards. Thank you.